Lindsay and I are direct competitors. We work in the same area, and it's funny now, like how we experience during the groups that we share everything. We share financial information, technology, when we have challenges with staff, all sorts of stuff.
We've shared staff.
It's quite the contrary. So and it's wonderful. It's been quite empowering.
Have you guys experienced that as you each improve your best practices, that you're evening the competitive bar?
Absolutely. Mm-hmm. We actually have another colleague too that we deal with, and there's a lot more openness. I'm not afraid to phone Christine up and go, let's go for lunch, let's talk.
We actually, to cut you off, we have a subgroup from this that's stemmed, and there's 5 women.
Five.
There's 5 of us that we meet regularly. We have dinner and we talk about challenges at work, and we talk about family and everything else.
And we're all competitors.
And that's it started from this group.
And you're all competitors.
Yeah.
And we work in the same areas, exact same services.
And you met each other through peer groups?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's tough to beat.
Yeah. Awesome.
That is actually one of the best things.
I joined this group and I realized that I needed help. And for those that need help running a business, it's great to actually realize it and to be aware and to look for something and to find an answer.
I joined the peer-to-peer group. It's a great group that you can discuss your business problems freely with your other peers who are now your friends, and it's all kept confidential. They've been a great help to me.
I've been in the peer-to-peer network for the past year now and was hesitant to beforehand. Just, I guess, embarrassed because of the state of my company. Was worried that there was other better companies here and they would laugh at the decisions I was making and the poor decisions maybe that I was making. But I've learned that it's a very supportive group, and there's no dumb questions or silly questions, and it's alleviated my embarrassment. It's very empowering to understand that there's other people like me in this group, of all different sizes of companies, experience, backgrounds, and it's been a fantastic experience, and I recommend it to anybody. And don't be embarrassed, because it's like Vegas. What's said here stays here.
When I joined Peer-to-Peer Network, I wasn't sure if I would have the time to be committed to it throughout the year. I quickly learned I don't have time not to. Peer-to-peer has given me so much information and grown my company in leaps and bounds.
We originally were looking at the peer group and thought it was a closed exclusive group, and after talking with Jackie, we realized it actually wasn't a closed exclusive group. So one of the best things we did was come out to the first meeting, join in, learn, and realize how open everybody actually was, even sitting close to one of our competitors in the same neighborhood. It was just an amazing experience, and I really encourage you to come on out and join in.
No, I've been doing landscape lighting for 30 years, and I support landscapers. So I work the same season with them, but I've benefited from this seminar in many ways that might increase my bottom line.
Well, everybody, the results are in, and they are impressive. Our peer-to-peer networking group has done a survey and shown that over 45% of our participants have said that they are now, over the last 3 years, growing their business to the point where they're at or exceeding 35% gross margin in their business. And also a 20% improvement in collecting receivables and improving the cash flow in their business. Don't you think that would help your business? You should come and join the peer-to-peer networking group.